Our history starts back in 1959, when my father, Frank Cooley II, started Nylacarb in Clinton, Massachusetts. He developed that company over a number of years and then started a second molding company called Lextel in Sterling, Massachusetts. He worked both those companies for a number of years and then sold them to Albany International in 1973. He worked for them for a couple years and then got the bug to start a third company, which he did in 1975. He started Carbalon. Eventually, his old company, Lextel, became available for sale and he bought it back. And he ran both of those companies until the early 80s when he sold both of those to a company called High Voltage. He worked for them for a couple years and then decided to move on from there. Decided to move down to Florida and start Nylacarb. My brother Frank, my brother Doug, and I joined him at Nylacarb here in Vero Beach. We grew up around the plastics industry and we worked in it our teenage years, and my brother Frank, my older brother, started in it in 1981. He started full time. I really enjoyed the engineering side. I went to engineering school. It was really part of our DNA, if you will, just growing up around it, a language, if you will. We really spoke plastics. When we had the opportunity to start down here with my father, it looked like a good place for us to start something new. I do look at it as a blessing that I get to work with my brothers. We've been together here in Vero Beach for 32 years. I think it's developed in us a real pride in what we've done together. And really, in order to move forward, we've had to solve many problems and overcome lots of obstacles. And we want to be able to do that for our customer. We want to make the customer happy, and we'll do anything we can to make that happen. Ready to work with the Cooley manufacturing legacy? Contact us at innovate@nylacarb.com.